Welcome to day 11 of the 60-day trading challenge. Today we traded New York session NQ, or it was actually ES today. Already done the session, so we'll go over it in a bit here. I did end up switching prop firms, so I'm now in Tradeify Select plan, and I'm now trading through TradingView completely. So with the Top Step accounts, we didn't actually blow them. We just ran out of time with them. I didn't end up trading a lot, as you can see on my channel. I've kind of just been posting every 4 or 5 days, and that's actually because I've only been trading every 4 or 5 days. I've just been learning with my new course, and just not been trading a lot. The price action was not good in January at all, as I'm sure some of you guys know. And yeah, this was my first trade of this weekend. It's already Wednesday, so this is my first trade of this week. So I still am posting every time I trade, that I promised you guys. But yeah, it was a lesson learned today. It was kind of funny, but we'll go over it. You guys will see what I mean, and we'll do the post-trade recap after. So day 11 was a good session. I had the right idea, but fortunately one little mistake cost me. So without further ado, let's get into the chart footage. I did forget to record as I was trading, so I'll just kind of go back and talk what I was thinking. I've got this side on replay mode, because this is what I ended up trading ES, but unfortunately you guys already kind of know what happened on NASDAQ here. But okay, so essentially this morning I got on at about 8. We had an SMT between NASDAQ and ES. As you can see, NASDAQ was trading lower while ES made a higher high. We were within Asia consolidation. This was all Asia session, as I'll show you guys right here. Consolidation, broke out, confirmed the swing, and then that's when the SMT formed. So I was just waiting for, at that point, I wanted another confirmation after the SMT. We got that on NQ, and since I was under the impression that ES was lagging, which it was making higher highs, and it wasn't trading as low, I decided to trade ES as soon as NASDAQ confirmed this swing. So I entered in at, would have been this candle, 7:45. I guess I was on a little earlier than I remember, but I entered at 7:45, and then I had my stops here. So we'll go into the replay here. I'll just draft up my trade. Entered at about here, and have my stop here, targeting 2R. Okay, I'll let that play out. Oops. So, as you can see, what happened was we, on market open, came down, but it was manipulation, and then we took out that point, which was my stop loss, that protected swing, and then we traded down to the take profit and went way lower. And so what I realized, and the lesson I learned, is that in a bearish trend, I should be taking the weakest asset, which in this case would have been NASDAQ. As you can see on NASDAQ open, we didn't actually come up and take out that swing. So if I would have literally taken the exact same trade on NASDAQ, could have traded this all the way down. Would have been a max trade at around here, but still, So just one little small mishap today cost me to get barely stopped out, and then right after I watched it hit my should have been take profit. So lesson learned, but we had the right idea. Everything we did right, other than just simply trading the wrong asset today. But yeah, without further ado though, we'll go into the post-trade recap. I guess this kind of already was a recap, but we'll just go into what I need to do moving forward. Alright, so into the post-trade recap. I mean, as you guys saw, it was just one little mishap. Moving forward, I know to trade the weakest asset in a downtrend and the strongest in an uptrend. And as well, just being a little more aware of market open, because not every time is it just going to start dumping. It also does just manipulate, and as we saw today, the manipulation was what stopped me out. So just being careful through market open, maybe trying to take trades just after or longer before. But other than that, I had the right idea. It was a clean setup today. It's too bad. I know a lot of people in my course took the exact same trade on NASDAQ, and everyone was um, taking their winning trades, but it's okay. That was my first trade of the new account, and it was my only trade of the week so far. Um, I've been really working on my patience, and only instead of looking for setups, I kind of just let setups come to me. Been really working on that, and it's been working good. Like today was a good setup. That was just a small little error on my end that easily could have been fixed. But that's why we're on combine still, learning to just kind of tighten up. And when I do get to a funded, hopefully I don't make the same mistakes. But yeah, that's it for today's trade. I'm not gonna be trading Asia anymore. Just not a fan of the metals right now. They're extremely volatile. It's unpredictable. Um, be better off just swing trading the overall trend of metals at this point. So just gonna be sticking to New York sessions, and I'll see you guys either tomorrow, Friday, or the start of next week. So thanks for watching day 11, and day 12 will be soon, guys. Bye.